Hi all, in this video I will going to explain how we going to connect Google Sheet from our n8n automation tool. To connect Google Sheet from the tool we need to set up the authentication. Let's see how we going to set up Google authentication to connect the Google Sheet. First we will go to our n8n automation tool and we need to select Google Sheet, and also I will going to read the sheet from my Google account. So for that, so let's see how we going to set up the credential. So once you click the credential, it's pop up the authentication window. Here we need to provide the client ID and the client secret. To set up the client ID and the client secret, so we need to go to the console cloudgoogle.com. Here we need to set up the OAuth client. So let's see how we going to set up the OAuth client here. First you need to create the project. So we create the project here and just create the project. Once you created the project, so you select that project and it will navigate it to your project. Okay, here you need to search Google Sheet API and it will appear Google Sheet API. Just click the Google Sheet API. Here you need to enable the Google Sheet API. Just click enable and wait some time. It will navigate it to the client authentication creation page. Yeah, now you can see it will appear the authentication creation page. So you first, before creation the credential, you need to set up the consent. So for that you need to click auth consent screen, then click get start. Here you need to provide the app name. I will provide n8n tutorial, and here you need to provide the Google Sheet Google Sheet authentication email and click next. Here you need to click the external audience and click next. Here you need to provide the contact info. I will set up same Gmail account, then click next. Yeah, now you need to click agree all the policies provided by the Google API service, then continue and click create button. Now you can see it will redirected to the auth client creation page. So before going to create the auth client, so we need to set up the data access, and for that you can click the data access link in the left side navigation and click add or remove scope. So for here you have to provide all the API access, and once it clicks, so you need to save it. Okay, now you need to create the client. So let's create the client here. Here you need to provide the web application, so and here you need to provide the web application name. I will provide the name n8n test, and here you need to provide the authorized redirect URL. So we will navigate at the n8n and click copy the redirect URL here. Then it will put the redirect URL and just create. Once it create, you can see the client ID and the client secret. So just copy client ID here, and also you can get the client secret here and save it. Okay, again you go to the console cloud Google account. So then you select the audience here. Here we need to provide the audience and just click the add user, then add your Google account here. Yeah, you need to save it. Just click the save button. Once it done, so you need to enable the Google service. First go to the API. First go to the navigation menu and click the enable API service. So it's already enabled. So, and also you need to enable the Google Drive API. So select the project and again go back, and here you need to search Google Drive API, search here. Yeah, click the Google Drive API and enable for this project. Now all the client credential setups already done. So now we can check our OAuth client from our n8n automation flow. So just click the sign with Google button here. Then it will appear the Google account list. So you need to select your Google account where we set up those configurations. So then click continue. Okay, you need to select all the resources provided by the Google account. So then click continue. Now you can see you are successfully connected to the Google Cloud account. So now verification authentication setup is done. So let's go to our n8n flow, then select the document. So we are going to read this document. Let's select the sheet and select the sheet and click execute step. Yeah, so now you can see the data. It's successfully connected to our Google sheet. Yeah, that's it in this video. Thanks all.